Winter has a hungry mouth, all he wants is more. And I can feel his fingers in the ice outside my door. Wind is winter's ally, they're brothers to the bone. His assault will not be ended until all the snow is gone. Stiff white piles of cold staring back at me. Everything looks lifeless, but I know it cannot be. 'Cause winter cannot kill lives with roots deep in the ground. They'll endure his worst till the sun comes back around. Winter has his boundaries, he can kill but cannot stay. His time will soon be ended, spring will chase him away. When everything looks hopeless, there's a hope we cannot see. Our Creator is in charge today and for all eternity.